here is a Nico robot puppy review. As you can see, Nico robot puppy review has different kinds, so you can choose between Husky dog, Maltese, Pomeranian, or Poodle dog, which only costs $67.99. So as you can see, this is available on Amazon and it has a fast delivery, especially when you're just living into Philippines, which means it only takes few business days for you to be able to receive this Nico robot dog. Now let's go ahead and go to the features it has. So as you can see, the top highlights of this product is it is handmade and simulated Maltese dog is designed by a master with decades of experience. It has two multiple functions. The robot Maltese dogs can walk or talk and bark, and it is safe for children. As you can see, the product specifications are it is a stuffed toy, it is a animal, and there are different models that you can choose from. So if you have a kid or you wanted to give a cute gift to kids, this is the right one for you because it has an interactive experience and children will not be bored to this kind of game. This is very soft and cute.